Devidas Basu Gaonkar has filed a criminal complaint against Tausif Sheikh for his theatre Akantwadi Goyant Naka. He has accused Tausif of intending to outrage religious feelings of Hindus by insulting their religion. Gaonkar said villain in the theatre Pundalik is name of a god. He said writer and director of the theatre is a Muslim and has tried to ridicule Hinduism.
आणि तेजर आमचे गुरुजीचे एक केलं त्यांनी पुंडलिक हे आमचे देवाचे नाव आसा विष्णूचो अवतार पुंडलिक आणि आमचे एक भावना त्यामुळे दुखलता की पुंडलिक जो आतंकवादी असो बरोबर दिसना आमकां करता आसतना आनीक तेका गुरुजी संत आता तवसीफ सांगता कितें की आमी बरे सलोखन आसतात धर्मा बद्दल बिगाड हाडूं जायना जाल्यार हिंदू धर्मा बद्दल जे आमी आदरान आमच्या संतां बद्दल गुरुजी बद्दल जो आदर आसा तो खंय तरी की दुखवलो वता तांकां आतंकवादी केलो सरासर आतंकवादीच सांगलें तांकां बरोबर दिसना.
Gaonkar further in his complaint has mentioned that the protagonist is portrayed as a chief villain, is a Hindu priest wearing a tilak on forehead, wearing a saffron attire and holding a mala in his hands. Gaonkar demands that a FIR be registered against the writer and director of theatre for hurting Hindu sentiments. Savio Dias and Omkar Falari for Prudent.